Hey guys, what's poppin'? This is your host Haris Iftikhar in another video. In this video, I'm gonna be doing something special by showing you how to hack Subway Surfers and getting unlimited keys and coins without any catch. It's absolutely free. So a lot of people have been asking me, can you give me a video on how to hack Subway Surfer? Because I already did before, and they saw and they said, please make a video about this. So I hope you guys like this video, and please make sure you have subscribed to my channel. If you already have, then that's good. Comment, subscribe, and like. Please, I need your support. Okay, let's get this started with first. First of all, if you have Subway Surfers already installed on your mobile device, I recommend you to uninstall it right away. If you have a Play Store version of it, so uninstall it from Play Store. If you have an iOS device, good news is this works for that too, and you should uninstall it from there too. Next, we're gonna go on our web browser, which I selected Google Chrome. We're gonna have this link. What I have, I'm gonna paste it. This link I'm gonna be pasting it on the description below, so you guys all check it out from the description. It's called techielist.com. It's download Subway Surfers. We're gonna scroll down and we're gonna see the download APK version. We're gonna click on this. We're gonna wait for some time, and then there's gonna be a download over here. Click this up. Okay, now they're saying okay. We're gonna have to do this download file. We're gonna check the details for this. And yeah, let's get the thing rolling with just 56 seconds waiting for it to finish. So thing is, this is absolutely free. There's no catch in it. You're not gonna have to go in ads or gonna ask questions, or they're gonna give you a trivia quiz, which I saw many other videos which had. There's nothing on this. It's just a straightforward thing. Let's get this thing downloaded, and then I'll show you how to do it. So make sure you guys, it's gonna work only if you uninstall the previous Subway Surfers from your device. Now it's downloaded. We're gonna touch this. It's gonna lead us to unknown. Oh yeah, you make sure you help all your unknown devices to be on. Install it, and this is gonna be installing on my device. Couple of minutes. It's gonna, not couple, it's just gonna take a seconds. For it to install. Okay, open this up, and Subway Surfers might be running. Singapore World Tour. Use the bouncy super sneakers to jump over trains. This game can define my childhood, literally. Okay. Let's wait for it to load. Takes time for loading. Yeah, I'm gonna have to choose an account. I'm already using my own Haris Iftikhar account. You guys use your own if you have. If you don't have, nothing happens. It still works. I'll wait for it to load. Hopefully it's not going to take that long after you've installed it, and then after that you play it on daily basis, because it just takes a little time for it to install in the beginning, but then after that it doesn't get booster on the booster.